Okay, I have a new house to show you guys today. This house is located in a really prime location. It's on the main street into the historic part of Salemi. This house right now is going for 40,000 euros negotiable. Has two parts to it. So we have the commercial part on one side, and then we have the residential part on the other side. Right now it's configured as probably 2 to 3 bedrooms. Does need new bathrooms, does need a new kitchen. Right now it has 2 half baths, and they are quite funny, so I'll have to show you what those look like when we get in there. Needs a new kitchen, but does have a gorgeous roof terrace that looks out onto the Sicilian countryside. Also has a brand new roof. Gorgeous vaulted ceiling, beamed roof. So you'll see some moisture damage in there, but that's already been rectified with the new roof. So floors are in good shape, roof's in good shape, but yes, you do need some kitchens and some bathrooms. So let me take you inside and show you what 40,000 euros gets you in the historic center of Salemi, Sicily. So this is the house here. It goes all the way up. It actually has 2 parts to it. To the left-hand side, which I'll take you first, is commercial. To the right-hand side goes into the house. Now it's on the main street in the historic center of Salemi. So really prime location. So first let's take a look at the commercial side. Now this was a former jewelry store. So you can see these details here. Now this is zoned as commercial. So you cannot change it to a rental, as an example. You'd have to get it rezoned. You don't have to keep it as commercial. You could just use it as your personal property. But you could not rent this out as residential. Some views of the countryside. I'm sorry I can't get the door open. So little space here, but a cute little space. You could always use this for entertaining. There is a bathroom here, just so you can see. Small, half bath. Needs a new toilet, obviously. Gorgeous marble floors here. Just need cleaned up. So small space, a lot of opportunity to do some things here. So this is the commercial space. Now let's go take a look at the residential. Now let's go into the commercial space. You can see there's 2 Juliet balconies here. Those do need to be repaired. So you would have to add the balconies back. So again, this is a tall, narrow house. Go up the marble stairs, first set. Now, the floors of this house are in decent shape. This would probably be bedroom number 1 here. Look at the details on the ceiling. Ignore all of the moisture because the roof, it has a brand new roof on it. So that has already been rectified. This is where you can see you would have to fix the balcony and add the Juliet balconies back. I can't open these doors right now because they're all wired up. Then back here, I can only get 1 window open, but this starts to look out onto the countryside, so you can see here. Now this is a funny half bath that just has the bathtub in it. So obviously, this would have to be redone somehow. Let's go up to the next floor. Again, floors are in good shape. Here, potentially another small bedroom. Nice ceiling details. This is half bath number 2. So this is where the toilet and the sink is. So it's a little odd. Gorgeous view of the countryside. Potentially a living room or another bedroom. Ignore the moisture because that has already been fixed. I cannot get this door open. But this again is one of those Juliet balconies that would need to be repaired, and it faces the street. Let's go up to the top floor. Now, here is where you can see the roof has been beautifully restored. Brand new roof, vaulted. This is the former kitchen, so obviously would need a new modern kitchen. This wall, you may be able to knock it out. Not sure. Worst case, you put, cut it out, maybe a breakfast bar there, small kitchen in there. This looks out onto the street view again. And then what's nice is here you do have your private deck that looks out onto the Italian countryside. They have this net up here to keep the pigeons out. But you can see how gorgeous that view is. And today you can see the sea. It's way out there, but that's the Mediterranean Sea. So what a view. And then you have this small room in here, probably storage. It does have a sink there though, so you could put a utility sink out here. You can put maybe your laundry out here. So there you go. Okay, so let's recap what 40,000 euros negotiable gets you. So you have residential home plus a commercial space. The commercial space does not have to be commercial. You can use it personally. You just can't rent it out as anything but commercial. It's on the main street in the historic center of Salemi. Prime location. Has a brand new roof. So any moisture that was happening, gorgeous, beamed, brand new roof. Does need a new kitchen. Does need new bathrooms because right now it's only 2 half baths. Does need to have the front Juliet balconies redone, but you get a 3-bedroom, 2 3-bedroom house, plus a roof deck, plus historic center, plus brand new roof, 40,000 euros, negotiable. So if you're interested in this house or any of the others that I show here, please do get in contact. I'd love to hear from you.